It is a beautiful day for a walk.
Yes, it is perfect. These chilies are finally ready to be picked.
This fresh cilantro is finally ready. It is perfect for our family dinner.
This is a beautiful harvest.
The hard work paid off.
Let's head back home now.
These potatoes are perfect for the stew, fresh from the garden this morning.
Welcome to my humble home. Today, I am preparing a special traditional meal. It all starts.
Is the food ready yet? These chilies are very hot. I'll make a fresh chutney.
Is the fresh coriander ready for the curry?
It is almost ready. I'm just finishing up. We will need more wood for the evening.
I have gathered enough for today. This needs a few more minutes. This will be ready soon. Fresh bread for the family. There is nothing better than a fresh roti. आज का खाना बहुत स्वादिष्ट है।
हाँ, मुझे भी बहुत पसंद आया।
चलो, अब सबको बोलते हैं।
दोस्तों, अगर वीडियो पसंद आई तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब जरूर करें। Give me one fresh chicken, please. Sure, here is a fresh one for you. Look, I brought some fresh chicken for us.
Oh, that is wonderful. Let's cook a feast tonight.
Let's cook a feast tonight.
These lemons are finally ripe. Fresh vegetables for dinner?
And chicken too.
आग जल गई है, अब खाना बनेगा, सब लोग साथ खाएंगे।
Today we are making some yellow bell peppers. ये शिमला मिर्च बहुत ही ताज़ा हैं, fresh from the farm. Fresh chicken always needs a bit of fresh lemon. It makes all.
First, we will add some fresh curd.
And then the aromatic spices.
Let's add some ginger garlic paste.
And a bit of turmeric. This is going to be absolutely delicious.
First, we add some fresh curd to the flour. Now we knead it into a perfect dough.
This is enough for the whole village.
Let us bake it on the fire.
Fresh hot rotis are finally ready for everyone.
Please come and have some fresh food. It is very delicious. First, we add some fresh onions. And then a lot of mayonnaise to make it delicious. It is ready. Enjoy your meal.
अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो पसंद है तो YouTube को लाइक करें
अपनी वीडियो पर कमेंट करें
और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें।